Update. We're going to start doing these every day for you guys, all members currently, and then we'll do it as a separate service for everybody else. So morning. It is September 7th. Futures are flattish. We had a high of yesterday of 45.49 on ES. We're at 45.35 currently, right at just above 1. Pivot 45.36. Looking at the SPY daily here. Really need to clear this right here to start thinking more bullish. Right now it's a balanced day. Really need to clear this 453.64, 452.45 right here is good support. Pre-market here, SPY is at 453.17, so it's opening in the middle, towards the middle of the range here. Don't trade it if you don't need to. Nothing crazy to see. Just keep it on your radar. Above 453.64, you can probably scalp it, but 454 is going to be even better. Qs. Tech's a little flattish as well. It's up against this daily trend up on top here. This is the megaphone from pre-COVID highs and then COVID lows. It's pushing up against it. Don't expect anything magical here. It's probably going to consolidate, and it's either going to bust out or we're going to fall back to the 8-day here. Sorry. It needs to let the clouds catch up a little bit. 8-day looks fine. I'm actually I would throw some puts at it. Flow is bearish on this, so we'll see how that goes. IWM, small caps. Looking good. Again, open up flattish here. We'll see how it goes. Really needs 230. That's really what we're looking at. Apple, everybody talking about Apple. Event coming up on the 14th. We really need to get Apple through 155 open, and it needs to hold. Right now it's at 155.07. I'd probably give it 155.10. If it can hold that, you can run the 157.50s. Should be a good trade. Tesla. There's a data leak saying that there was the autonomous driving software was leaked. We'll see if that affects it at all. Right now it's up 8, 742. That's really your number, 742 here. You can get a trade up to 750. Nice little scalp there. We'll see how if it holds that at the open, then looking pretty good. If not, 723 is your buy. That's your support. That's where you kind of want to go with it. SC Limited, just monster, man. This thing is just, I'm sorry I didn't play more swings on it. It is just a monster killer ride in these clouds. Every cloud touch is a buy. I'm going to be waiting. I'm not going to be chasing. Look for this, you really want to touch this cloud here at 340. That's really where you want to buy. Right now you're sitting at, 353 on that day, but as of right now it's at 357, so it's all the way up here. Crazy move. Just a monster stock. NVIDIA, super bullish on NVIDIA here. We got about 50, I'd say probably about 40 more points out of this thing over the next 6 weeks or so. Really you want to open up. See that 230. The 230 is really the big number on NVIDIA. It's at 228.88 right now. Really need it through 230.43 if you're a safe trader, or you can play it off this 8-day here at 223. I'm actually waiting to see if semis just have a cool off day here. It's flagging hard. I'd really like to see it come back down. I have the 230s already. I think it's 917 expiration. We've taken a bunch off. We'll see if we can get it above that. I think it was on the roll up. We had the 225s rolled to 230s. Above 230, you can really go to 230. You can go 235 if you want. 230, 250s are probably safer. TSM, Taiwan Semiconductor, looking good. Just a monster move here. It's kind of, these semis are just rotating each other's names, but huge move. Really, you got to look at it over, now that it's moved, you want to look at it 125.78. It really needs 126. LRCX, we love Semiland. Good move, flagging out. Really, I'd like to see it's just hanging out in this channel. If you see on the daily, it's a huge channel. Just one big channel. And this is the channel within the channel. So you just play it level by level. It's not ready for a monster breakout or anything. There's some consolidation that needs to happen. You can just play it within the clouds. Clouds are actually selling it right now. The daily EMA clouds are just selling it. I would just hang out, see what you do with it. Nothing special. Get through 617. You can probably get to 630. It's a nice 20-point move, but just wait for 617. You don't have to be crazy. NEO, big name I'm looking at this week. It's already up 62 cents. It's at 41. I'm actually looking to see if it comes back. I don't know if it does. What you guys know, if you guys follow, if you are, as you guys are members. This 200 EMA is always a big number here. Always a big number. You're at 39.62 on that. You can really just play with that. Any dip below, you can kind of play with. And any cross up, you can kind of play as well. So, but look for this to get to 42. I would say that's the daily. I think it's the anchored VWAP right there. Facebook doing not much. I mean, it's been a nice flag. I don't expect it to do much. It might bounce off this 8-day today. If it does, we can get three. I would probably say it's at 375 right now. You might get 380. You might get 380. We'll see how that goes. Crypto land, Mara. Just parabolic move. We've been in the move the whole time. I'm looking for it to get to all-time highs. Just get through 45 here. If you're not in it, wait for 45. Get to 50. You can play that. Chinese names. Futu, my favorite Chinese name, ripping this morning. Had a down day on Friday, 110. It's at 111 right now. You say he plays with this 200-day. I expect it to play with this 200-day for a while. Let it sit, let it go. We're in swings. And once it breaks, that those clouds go green. That's when you buy Futu. Through 119 is a monster move. 119 is the hard move. Baba, looking good. I like this move, honestly, all the way up to 218. This thing's got a lot of juice left. And then finally, Baidu. A lot of move on Baidu. Baidu's already up. I think it's 5% this morning. It's up 3%. Sorry, it's up $5. Looking for this thing to go 168. It's above here. I mean, this thing has room to 183. It's sitting in our swings, doing well. So that's it for right now. We'll see you guys out there. We'll do this every single morning for all members that are current members, and then we'll start doing it for any new members that come out. We'll start a separate service. So good luck. We'll see you guys out there.